Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying two things: your Apple ID name and the billing name on the card you use with Apple Pay. Once done, unlock your iPhone and go to Settings, tap your name, then Payment and Shipping. You may be prompted for your device passcode or Apple ID password. Enter it to proceed. If your Apple ID name is wrong, change it under Name, Phone, Email first, because Apple Pay pulls that display name from your account, so update at the source before changing cards. Next, focus on the card itself. Open Wallet, tap the card, then the three dots or Edit to view details. If the billing name shown is incorrect, you may need to remove the card and re-add it after the issuer reflects the corrected name. Make that change through your bank or card issuer's website or app. Once the issuer shows the updated billing name, add the card back to Wallet. This forces Apple Pay to sync the issuer's current cardholder name for transactions. To finish, check Wallet and perform a small purchase or hold your device near a reader to confirm the new name appears on receipts or merchant prompts. If the old name persists, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to force sync, then retry. If that fails, contact your card issuer to ensure their billing records updated, and if needed, open an Apple support case. Remember, Apple Pay displays the issuer's recorded cardholder name, so the bank must reflect the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.